And this morning, I just thought I'd send you a couple of thoughts because of something that happened this morning where we were at a restaurant. And I want to be talking just about dealing with people and talking to people nicely when you can see that they're in a stressful situation. The four of us, we went off for breakfast this morning to a restaurant, and it was very, very busy. And having been in the restaurant business myself, I can understand and I can sympathize with the staff when you have something that's called a run on the kitchen. In other words, a lot of people have arrived at the same time, and subsequently all the orders pile up in the kitchen around about the same time, and obviously there's only a certain amount of cooking space, and the chefs find themselves pretty much under the cosh. And I was watching other tables starting to complain to their waiters, saying, my food hasn't arrived yet. How much longer do I have to wait, and so forth. And I saw people getting stressed. I saw waiters, and you can see their blood boiling, but at the same time trying to be nice. And you have to understand that people in that situation, waiters, they're not trying to give you a bad time. They would like you to return one day. They want to give you a good experience of their restaurant. A lot of them are putting themselves through college, they're putting themselves through university, and they want you therefore to have a positive experience, to tip them well. And I was watching as tables were moaning and complaining, and our waiter came up to us and he said, look, things are a little bit busy in the kitchen right now. A lot of orders have come in, but you will get your food. It's just going to be a little bit delayed. And I looked at him and I said, mate, that's absolutely fine. I fully understand. And he looked at me and said, thank you so much for being so understanding. And these situations happen. It's not the end of the world if your food arrives a little bit late. When you've got a situation where somebody's actually explained to you what's going on, and you didn't even have to do that. It's common sense. Look around. It's madly busy. There's a queue forming at the front of the restaurant. You're in, you've got a table, you're fine, your food is on its way, everything's going to be fine. Let's not get stressed about things that are just not worth getting stressed about. It causes your blood pressure to rise, it stops you from enjoying yourself, and it starts becoming an issue. And so when we left, we gave him a really good tip and we thanked him for his service, and he was jovial with us. I could see there were some other tables he wasn't sort of bantering with as much as he was with us. But we'd created the environment of positiveness, and you could tell he was actually enjoying serving us, and we chatted with him a little bit, joked a little bit here and there. If somebody's under stress, there's a reason. Don't add to their stress. Be kind to them, be decent to them, and ultimately it'll become a positive situation. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.